Like most humans, your life probably began when your mother and father made love. Inside your father's body are reproductive organs that are always making millions of tiny cells called sperm, which are like tiny tadpoles. And inside your mother's body are reproductive organs that release an egg into her womb at a certain time every month. Your life began when your mother and father made love at the right time so that one of your father's sperm worked its way into an egg and fertilized it. The fertilized egg grew gradually inside your mother's womb until at last, after 9 months or so, you were born. Now let us know some facts about reproductive organs. First, let us know about puberty. You are born with reproductive or sexual organs, but they only develop in the right way for you to have children once you reach the age of puberty, typically 11 to 13 years. At puberty, chemicals called sex hormones flood through your body, stimulating the changes that turns boys into men and girls into women. Next, number 2, puberty in boys. When a boy reaches puberty, his testes grow and begin to produce sperm. At the same time, he begins to grow pubic hair and hairs on his chin. Okay, do you know that in a man's reproductive organs, the sperm is made in the two testes or testicles. When making love, the man's erect penis is inserted into a woman's vagina. Then when the penis is stimulated enough, a liquid called semen carries the sperm from the testes out through the end of the penis into the vagina. Next, number 3, puberty in girls. When a girl reaches puberty, she begins to grow breast and her monthly periods or menstruation start. She too grows pubic hair. Next, number 4, menstruation. Menstruation is the monthly cycle of changes in a woman's body that prepares her for having a baby. Every 4 weeks, her ovary releases an egg so that it slides down the fallopian tube and into her womb. If the egg is not then fertilized, the lining of the womb breaks down and blood flows out of the woman's vagina. Next, do you know that in a woman's reproductive organs, eggs are stored in the 2 ovaries. One egg is released a month into the womb or uterus via the fallopian tubes. During lovemaking, millions of sperm from a man's penis enter the woman's vagina and swim up into the uterus, where only one sperm may penetrate an egg. Now let us learn some facts about pregnancy. The moment a sperm enters an egg and fertilizes, it is called conception. This is the moment a pregnancy begins. A baby is born about 9 months later. Number 1, embryo to fetus. During the first 8 weeks of pregnancy, while internal organs are developing, the new life is called an embryo. After that, it is called a fetus. Next, number 2, lifeline. The fetus is supplied with oxygen and food via a tube called the umbilical cord. This links the fetus to the placenta, a spongy organ on the womb lining. And lastly, the most important thing you should know, in the safety of the mother's womb, the new human life grows from just a few cells to an embryo, then a fetus, to become a baby in 9 months, growing larger and more recognizably human by the day. Throughout this time, it is kept warm and cushioned from the outside world inside a bag or sac of fluid called amniotic fluid. When it is ready to be born, the neck of the womb begins to expand so that the baby can be pushed out through the vagina and into the world. Hoping that this video is helpful to know about new life, facts about reproductive organs and facts about pregnancy. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. You can also suggest us some topics you really want to know about. We will definitely try to provide videos on those topics. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned for our next video.